Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to create a subdomain in Hosting and how to install the WordPress. You can see Hostinger provide 2.49 per month package, but with our referencing you can get it for 1.99 per month. I'll show you how to get that. So once you click this choose plan, you can see the 48-month package, that is 2.49 per month. You can see the total of 119.52. So let's see what you click our link and the offer you get. You can go to our hosting video and click the 20% offer link. Let's click this link. Let's go down and click choose plan. Wow, here you can see 20% referral discount is included. Now you can see the subtotal is 95.62. You can compare the previous one, that is 119.52, but with our promo code it is 95.62. So if you are purchasing hosting newly, you can use our referral link. Okay, this is the premium web hosting I have purchased with the domain name here. So if you want to add a subdomain, you can click this manage and go down, click this domains. Here you can select subdomain. On the right side you will have the domains you have purchased. On the left side you can add the subdomain. So I have only one domain here, so it shows only one domain. Here you can add any subdomain. So I'll put a domain name like demo. So here it will ask custom folder for subdomain. So click this one. If you want, you can put the subdomain folder name here. I'll put some underscore and put the name as demo and click create. You can create unlimited subdomain. So I'll create another one. So QWW. Again, you can create a subdomain name underscore QWW create. So I'll show you why you have created this subdomain, because when you want to delete these files, you can go this files, click this file manager, and here you can it will show the files of your website. So this is the main website I have purchased. So click this access files of riyadaya.com. Click this public HTML. So here you can see underscore demo underscore KWW. So if you don't want this subdomain files, you can delete here in the backend as well. So that's why it's better to create this subdomain files. Okay, let's come back and let's install the WordPress. So to install the WordPress, go down, click this website and click this auto installer. So keep in mind, go to website and click this auto installer. Here it will show you which one you are going to install, WordPress or Joomla or whatever. So let's click WordPress, click select. So here you have to give the name of your website. So I keep just giving as demo, and you have to give the administrator username and password. So I have created my username and password and click this advanced. Here it is very important. By default, it will show you a main website name. So if you just click this next, it will automatically install the WordPress on your main website. So your data will be deleted. You have to be very careful in this step. So you have to select the subdomain name, not the main domain. You have to select the subdomain name where you want to install the WordPress. So I click this one, and then direct subdirect, no need to put anything. Database name you can keep as empty. Click next. So better to have the update only the minor version. That's the recommended one. So now click install. Okay, once the installation is completed, you will get the following message. If you want to see the demonstration, you just click this demo. Wow, you can see now the demo site is appearing with SSL certificate. If you want to go to the WordPress admin, click this WordPress admin, click this dashboard. Now you can access the WordPress panel. So now you can install your theme and you can develop the website. So this is how you can create a subdomain in hosting.